John Williams of NY Fed on labor market, inflation, interest rates 2025. In a captivating tete-a-tete with Wall Street Journal's Nick Timiraos, John Williams, the esteemed president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, shed light on the economic horizon, focusing on the labor market's pulse, inflation's whisper, and the interest rates dance. This insightful conversation, held in the heart of New York, was a goldmine for economic enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's dive into the highlights of this revealing discussion. Lightly edited for clarity and brevity, ensuring the essence of the dialogue remains intact. But here's where it gets controversial. Williams' perspective on the labor market's robustness post the latest payroll numbers. https wsj.com/economy jobs report July 2025 unemployment economy 8BC3ADE mod article in line might surprise you. Can we still label the labor market as solid? Or are there underlying cracks that need our attention? Let's explore Williams' take on this critical question. And this is the part most people miss. Williams' insights into inflation and interest rates are not just numbers on a page. They are the heartbeat of our economy, influencing everything from your mortgage to your morning coffee. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the economic landscape with confidence. As we conclude this summary, we invite you to ponder. Do you agree with Williams' assessment of the labor market's health? How do you see inflation and interest rates shaping your financial future? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Copyright 2025, Dow Jones Company, Inc. All rights reserved. 87990 CBE 5681 ADDAC 44 7B 1CDEB. For further reading, we recommend delving into the Wall Street Journal's comprehensive coverage of central banking. https www.wsj.com/central banking Fed officials take cool jobs report in stride C823BD and the latest jobs report. https www.wsj.com/central banking Fed officials take cool jobs report in stride. www.wsj.com/economy/jobs/report July 2025/unemployment 8BC3. And remember, the economy is a puzzle that we all help solve. Fed's Williams, open mind for September rate cut meeting. In a recent interview with the Wall Street Journal, John Williams, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, revealed that he would approach the upcoming September policy meeting with a decidedly open mind regarding potential interest rate cuts. This statement, which has sparked considerable interest and debate, suggests that the Fed may be more flexible in its approach to monetary policy than previously thought. But here's where it gets controversial. While some experts argue that this flexibility is necessary, New York Fed's John Williams' job market remains solid despite revisions. Nick Timiraos interview. In a recent conversation, Nick Timiraos engaged with John Williams, the president of the New York Federal Reserve, to delve into the implications of the latest job report. Williams conveyed that despite some revisions, which he deemed essential for understanding labor demand and supply, the job market is still in a solid position. Williams elaborated on how these adjustments could influence the overall economic landscape. He reassured that he is not overly concerned by the report's findings, but he underscored the significance of grasping shifts in the labor market for ensuring economic stability and effective future planning. This dialogue between Timiraos and Williams underscores the importance of meticulous analysis of employment data in the formulation of monetary policy. Williams's thoughtful approach to interpreting employment statistics mirrors a larger discussion within the Federal Reserve regarding the optimal timing for policy changes. This topic has been a recurring theme in recent dialogues as Fed officials contemplate the possibility of future rate cuts amidst varying opinions on the necessary data and the associated economic risks. For those interested in a more in-depth examination of these policy debates, Timiraos' analysis sheds light on how central bankers are navigating the conversation around potential rate cuts, which remains a contentious issue within the Federal Reserve. It's important to note that this material may include opinions from third parties, and none of the information presented here should be construed as investment advice, as outlined in our disclaimer. While we maintain strict editorial integrity, this article may reference products from our partners. But here's where it gets controversial. How do you think the Federal Reserve should approach rate cuts in light of the current job market? Are we truly in a solid position, or are there underlying issues that need to be addressed? Share your thoughts in the comments below.